Well, welcome to Grandpa Gary's Jaguar Mark II Adventure, my new YouTube channel. A short video today, updating what's happening. As you can see, I removed this from the last video I made. There is a strip of metal here that has been removed to reveal the remnants of the bottom of the rocker panel, or the sill. And you can see now we're getting into the nitty-gritty of the damage here on the passenger side floorboard area and that. So now I can start to remove the portion that's right from here down to here, and I'm going to get rid of that, and I'm going to start getting ready to cut down here, cut this section, make a patch panel, and I got to make a bend in here to facilitate the installation of this section here. So this piece, this piece here will reside in here. Well, I can't really show you right now the way it's sitting, but I'm going to be installing this as soon as I remove the damaged pieces here and that. And here's the jacking point that's spot welded to the floor, and that is now fully exposed on the bottom, and so that's going to be removed. I'll show you a different perspective here in a second, but you can see that I've finished removing the remnants of the outer sill. Here I cut all the spot welds here, and also into the back here as far as I could. These pillars, the A and the B pillar, I cut off here because all things considered, it looks not bad. It looks not bad, and I'd rather leave this attached to the inner sill. I'm afraid of the structure starting to sag if I start cutting away too much. And but you can see I've got lots of work to do on the inner section here. It's a lot of rust, but this metal here is in pretty good shape. Got some deterioration right here that I'm going to have to deal with, and some trimming here. These pieces here and here are the remnants of the old sill, the old rocker panel, and I decided to leave those on for now. I'm going to have to see what I'm going to do with that. I might end up just trimming these off here and then fitting the new sill underneath the B pillar and C pillar, the B pillar mounting areas here. I want to leave these spot welds on. I don't want to remove these right now. I don't think I need to. And then further down in here, in this area, there's a substantial amount of rust perforated right through the frame, or the sill, this area in here. Once I get this part here, the spot welds right here, I have to take off. Once I get that off and this off, and underneath here, the sills, the rocker panels were spot welded in here all the way along. So I have to cut those spot welds, and I'll remove this piece of metal here and over over here and all the way up to the front. So I've got this metal all exposed. Now I know what I have to do, and you can see there's substantial amount of issues here. So that's going to have to be attended to. and that's going to happen once I start to actually remove the jacking point here. You can see it's pretty rough shape here. So the next step, starting let's see, today's Friday. The next step will be to cut these spot welds. Get some light here. Cut these spot welds out here. So I want to be able to get rid of these this rusty metal here. And I'm going to take probably from here over here section of floor pan out. Actually, probably from here over here to this area here. Remove this here. I have a patch panel for the floor and that, but I'm going to check underneath too and see how bad the damage is below. So yeah, this section here, I'll make I'll remove this metal here, and there's a line of spot welds that happen to be right here, here, all the way through here and here and here. And what I'm going to do, I'm going to take these from the top instead of do all my cutting and that removal from down below. There's a frame rail that exists right underneath here. It goes all the way down along, and there's some spot welds. The way this is boxed in on the bottom, spot welds that are going horizontally into the frame and that, and I'm going to drill those out, and then I should be able to drop the jacking point out. And that's actually what I'm going to do first. Once I get the jacking point removed, that reveals the rest of the floor condition below, and I may end up taking more metal out. I don't know, we'll have to see, but there's some screw holes here, and I'm going to have to see, may end up using this for a template to locate bolt holes and so on and so forth. I'm not actually sure what those are for, but anyway, I guess I have my camera oriented incorrectly. That's not a help. This is all new to me, this YouTube stuff, so bear with me. I'll be obviously got a lot of polishing up to do on my videoing, but yeah, a lot of rust removal to do in that, and I'm going to be busy doing all this in the next few days. So this will be today's update. I will fill you in on the rest of the gory details when I make some progress here and reveal what lies underneath, what horror stories. But the next big job coming right up is get this jacking point out and start working on this area here. And I want to remove this section of the inner sill here that's rusted away. I have to decide how I'm going to approach that, but I have to get new metal in there and weld it in. So that's it for today. So wait until, let's see, this is episode 2 on the new YouTube channel. So we'll sign off for today.